there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 1 minute. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide. You're going to go to format background, click on picture texture fill and insert. And you have to insert a image which have to be a high resolution image in the background. Go to artistic effect and give it blur effect, increase its like the radius to 100%. Now we're gonna go to images and insert the same image into the slide from the insert tab. Next, we're gonna go to crop option, aspect ratio, and give it a ratio of 16:9. Next, we're gonna increase its size and put it cover the entire slide with it. Next, we're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle and rotate it like this. Change its height and width, and we're gonna move it upwards and make it half rotating. Decrease its size if you want to. Now we're going to give a slide background fill and give it a shadow of the fifth number. Next, what we're going to do is just rotate it a bit more, duplicate it, and then we're going to place this right here. Now we're going to copy and paste our text, so I'll just use the previous text. So that's all you had to do in this video. That's all for today. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can get this free template from the link in the description below.